that we were one happy family, that mass comm, visual, and performing arts are now combined as one department. We're working together to be a bigger and stronger and more productive department for all of you.
That's right, 2019 marks the first time ever that 3 departments come together to empower students' educational potential to further themselves towards their future career goals.
Write down your dreams, which I encourage you to do. Go through with energy, enthusiasm, and excellence.
Several alums from these departments have made a comeback to the university to speak to the current students about how they've grown since they graduated.
The main point to take away is that although we'll always be afraid of something, there will be some type of fear lingering around, to not let that get in the way of anything.
I think the merger of mass comm and all the arts is super important because art kind of all flows together. So I think that mass comm has done a great job in converging all this stuff together so that we all can work together. When you get out into the field, you understand how all those compartments work and how they work together.
I think it better benefits the students, so we can supply alum that can speak to all different areas, and we can supply employers that have positions available at different areas.
I think the convergence of all the departments is kind of great because you get to take the best of everything and get that cross-pollination as a student's perspective to be able to get different views and points of views.
In the art gallery, students were able to make connections with the panelists to learn more about their endeavors in the industry.
This year's Mass Communications Day was just so great. It evolved and grew so much compared to last year. The art gallery networking at the end, that was my favorite part of today.
I was able to make a lot of connections. We had a lot of speakers come in and show us kind of what they do and how they were able to excel themselves past Delaware State.
With this year's Mass Comm and Visual Performing Arts Day coming to a resounding end, students have learned so much from the guest speakers, and hopefully they are able to gain a full understanding of what they are capable of in the near future as they continue to grow and develop new skills as a whole.